Hello. Right, in this video I'm going to be having a look at the instrument cluster on the Polo. Basically what's happening is, when I was driving the Polo, when I took it to its MOT and back, I noticed an almighty screaming noise from the Speedo. I thought it was just needed a Speedo cable, it dried out. But after talking to some people on different forums and Facebook groups that do with Polos, people keep saying it's the magnet drive inside the Speedo needs re-lubing up again. So I'm starting to take it apart. So far I've already prized out and unplugged these switches on here. Oh sorry, I also took the steering wheel off. That was a 24mm socket on the steering wheel. Took that off. So now this is all out, so this should, there we go. Oh, there's two screws, one there and one there. So now if I can remove that, now the instrument cluster should come out via a screw here and a screw there. And I think the bottom just leans forward and comes out. So that's what I'm going to attempt to do now. Unscrew that and unscrew that. Another thing I noticed when I was driving this was, this doesn't clock any miles. This Speedo works, but it doesn't clock any miles. So yeah, just gonna have a look, see what I can figure out here. Okay, so now I've undone that screw there, that screw there. It should just lean forward, apparently. No. What's going on? Oh, does the bottom come out first? How does it... no, it doesn't lean forward. How does this come out then? How does this come out? What, is it bottom out first then, is it? What is going on? Normally they've got these special bottom things they click into so you can lean the top down and pull them out, but what am I missing here? What am I missing here? Why is that not coming out? Is this bottom first? Hang on, I'm going to get back to you once I figure this out. I need two hands. Okay. Right, what I discovered was, to get this out, I had to disconnect the Speedo cable. So I had to get my hand around here. I had to, this was on there, and then I had to squeeze this to unclick it from here while my hand was here to get it off before I was able to pull this down. Then I had to get my hand in and unplug this, and now I was able to get it out, but then this fell off. So I'm thinking, is this the problem? Is this broken off or what? What's going on with that? What is going on with this? Is that the bit that's broke, or does that just click on, or I don't know what's going on. I need to investigate a minute. Hang on, give me a sec. Okay, one thing I have figured out for sure is this is attached to the Speedo cable there. That's meant to be part of it. I'm not sure if that was already broke before, or if it broke me trying to get this out, snap that off. But either way, that's broken now, and I need a Speedo cable. So what I'm going to do now is I need to determine whether the noise is coming from the Speedo cable, which would be a result because I've got to replace it anyway, or if it's this magnet drive people are talking about in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my drill, I'm going to put something in my drill that goes into there, and then I'm going to spin this up and see what type of noise it makes. That's what I'm going to do right now. Okay, here we go. Right, got the Speedo, I've got this drill, I've got it on backwards. I just tried it to test it out on forwards and I was thinking, oh, it's not working, but it goes the opposite way on this. So put the drill in there, let's see what happens. Whoop. That is going up. It's not really making any noise. It's a bit quiet. The only noise I'm hearing is a drill. The noise I was getting in the car was a proper loud, like wah, 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 wah. If that makes sense. So, oh, we got up to 40 then. That is telling me there's nothing wrong with this. I don't think it is a magnet drive. I think it's a Speedo cable. So I'm going to replace the Speedo cable. That's what I'm going to do. So yeah, just thought I'd do a little update on that, just do a little video. I will do a part 2 on this. And well, I don't really think I need to do a part 2 on this, do I? I just got to replace the cable. I've got to unplug it from the gearbox. Simple. I suppose, yeah, I'll do a part 2. I'm supposed to be showing people how to do stuff on Mk2 Polos, because there's none of this on the internet. People struggle to find info, so I will come back to you with the part 2 showing you how to do. Why is my camera going in and out of focus? There we go. Anyway, yeah, I'll show you in the part 2 how to change the Speedo cable. I went brain dead there for a minute. Okay, cheers peeps, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, all that jazz. I'll see you in the next one.